Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we are going to discuss our new word of the week, which is FITT. F-I-T-T. Now that's an abbreviation for frequency, intensity, time, and type. Simply break that down. Frequency is how often a exercise or movement is performed. Interval is the duration, so how long you do, like 5 sets of 10, 2 sets of 15, whatever it may be. Your time is, say you have about an hour to work out, so 60 minutes. And the type, it could be cardio, strength training, swimming, running, whatever your exercise you're into, that's what it stands for type. So again, word of the week is FITT, F-I-T-T. Make sure you guys stay tuned for our warm-up and our exercises. Stay tuned, guys. All right, so today's workout is workout number 4. Today's workout consists of 5 different exercises. 1 is high knees, 2 is lateral squats, 3 is cross jacks, 4 is reverse lunges, 5 is oblique pulls, knee pulls, and 6 is high knees. In just a moment, I'll go ahead and go over those exercises with you, and then we'll go do it together, all right? So stay tuned. First workout is high knees. So we're gonna get those hands up in front of us, knees up to our chest. Again, if you want to modify it, just kind of march in place, and then as you can, start chopping your arms, get those knees to your chest. That's number 1. Number 2, lateral squats. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get to a nice squat position, feet shoulder width apart, dropping your bottom, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go 2 to the right, stay low, 2 to the left. Remember how I said stay low? You must stay low the whole time. So you're gonna stay low again. Squat, 1, 2 to the right, 2 to the left. Next one, cross jacks. Instead of going jumping jacks where our hands go up in the air, we're actually gonna start with our feet together, hands at their side. And what we're gonna do is when we open our feet, our hands are gonna cross in front of us. We're gonna go side to side, kind of like our crisscrosses, but this time we're crossing our hands in front of us. So it looks like this. Those are cross jacks. Next one, we got reverse lunges. So what you're gonna do is put 1 foot forward, left foot, I'm gonna start with my left foot forward, right foot back. Bring that foot back, I'm gonna go down and up. You wanna get your knee almost to the ground. Don't go all the way to the ground and hit it, otherwise you're gonna pull your hamstring and your quadricep. So close to the ground and then come back up, down and up. You'll do that for 15 seconds on the right, and then we're gonna switch it. 15 seconds, right foot forward, left foot back, same thing. Oblique knee pulls. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get our right knee up, right knee up, and we're gonna go and we're gonna pretend to grab the sun, and we're gonna pull it towards our body. So it looks like this. Knee pull, 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 kind of like bringing down the sun. Every single time. Go across and pull, go across and pull. Those are oblique knee pulls. And last but not least, our finisher, our high knees again. Okay, so make sure you guys get some water, get your towel ready, and we're gonna start in just a moment. Stay tuned. All right, get ready to go. We're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High knees, let's go. Get them up. Knees to your chest. Keep jumping. Bring your nose up there. You got it. To those lateral squats, squat down, go to your side, right twice, left twice, back and forth. Make sure you're dropping that bottom, stay low, pretend you're in a chair. Can't dance, you're learning a new one. Watch out yourself, stay on your toes. Don't let your heels hit the floor. All right, next one, we got cross jacks. Again, feet shoulder width apart, hands are gonna cross in front of us. Let's go. Cross your feet, kind of like our crisscrosses. Reverse lunges. Start with your right, start with your left. Your choice. I'm gonna start with my right foot back, left foot forward. Drop down and up. There you go. street burning. I know I'm feeling it. All right, oblique knee pulls. Pull out and up. Out and up. Out and up. Out and up. Pull. 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 Pull out. Pull in. Get those knees to your body. Pull across. This might be your first time. It's okay. Keep going. High knees. Let's go. Last one. Start finisher. Once again, I am so proud of you guys for staying focused. Keep working hard. Stay tuned. Take care. We'll see you next time. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I'm gonna teach you a game called Scoop Ball. Now in this activity, you're only gonna need a few items. So let me go and show you real quick. So I actually created my own scoop for this activity. It's just an option. I used just a regular 16.9 ounce water bottle, and a toilet paper or paper towel roll, and just taped it up, and it works perfectly fine. See, put the ball in, toss it, and scoop it up and catch it. So if you're interested in making your own scoop, I will show you guys in another video, but for right now, I've already made it, so this is just for this activity. The next item you're gonna need is some type of bouncy ball, okay? This activity can be played by yourself, or it can be played with a partner if you have someone available to play with you. So you need that, as well as if you guys have a gallon water bottle. I highly recommend this. This is part of the catching aspect of this activity. So what I did is cut a gallon top of water, and I left the bottom attached, and then a flag belt right here, as well as some type of like bungee or rope, something that's going to be flexible, because this will be worn on the head. And you're probably thinking, what? Yeah, you heard me, on the head. So I'll teach you that in just a moment, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Hi there. So for level 1, what you're going to do is simply you are going to wear this belt. As I mentioned, you are going to be wearing a belt, and this is going to be my catcher or my bucket. If you don't have a belt, you can just go and hold it up here. The first level you're going to put it at is at your waist. What you're going to do is you're going to bounce a ball against a wall. Like I have the wall behind me, and I'm going to try to catch it with it being on my body. Preferably, again, it's on your body. If you have a flag belt, a regular belt, a rope, any type of string that you can use that's accessible to you, definitely do that. If not, then just have a bucket right here at your waist, and you can try to catch it. That's level 1. Level 2, you're going to move that to either your right side or to your left side. It is your choice. If you choose right, that is level 2. If you choose left, after, that's level 3. It is your choice. So that's 2 or 3. It's completely up to you guys. Level 4, you're going to move it up to your chest. And last but not least, level 5, the big shebang. You can go ahead and put it on your head. Yes, I look ridiculous. I kind of look like Pluto. Woof, woof, woof. Anyways, so yes, you're going to put it on your head, and you're going to bounce it off the wall, and you're going to try to catch it up on top of your head. So you're going to be doing a lot of maneuvering. You're going to have to squat. You're going to have to lean. You're going to have to shift your body side to side so you can make that catch. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and let's go and get this game started. For my primary kids, I would highly recommend they just bounce it and try to catch it. For my older kids, I want them working with using an implement, so I actually have them toss it with my scoop. So again, I'll do it with primaries, and then I'll go and do it with a scoop so you can see the difference, okay? So first one, I'm going to do it without the scoop. Put that to the side. I'm going to bounce it off the wall, and I'm going to catch it at level 1 at my waist. Ready? And toss. I only want it to bounce one time off the wall, and then I got to catch it. So I've completed level 1. Now I'm on a level 2, so I'm going to move it to my left side. Same process. Bounce it and hop! First shot. Look at that. That's level 2. Moving on to the right side for level 3. That was actually a really lucky bounce. But hey, I'm a professional, so stay tuned. Right side. Do it again. Bounce and hop! I'm a professional. It's proven right here. Level 2 and 3 are now complete. We're now moving on to level 4, which is at the chest. Again, 1 was waist, 2 was right or left, 3 was right or left. We're now at the chest, and then again, our 5th one is gonna be on top of our head. So hopefully I get to that level before we end this video. Level 4, bounce, ho! 1 in a row, all in 1, got it. All right, moving on to level 5. We are now at level 5. As you can see, it is on my head, so I gotta get this ball in top of my head. I'm gonna squat, I'm gonna shift to the right, shift to the left, bend my body. So I'm gonna be doing all these crazy movements just to get this ball into there. So level 5. I missed, I felt it hit me, so we'll see. Felt it again, hoping to get it closer. I'll try one more time, hopefully I get it in. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below, see if I'll make it. I'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, last one. And I failed. I'm sorry to disappoint some of you guys, but as you can see, you're not gonna get it all the time. So keep working hard, have fun, and stay active. So I hope you guys enjoyed that individual activity of scoot ball, but now we're gonna do it with a partner. What if you do have a partner? What if you have somebody at home who is available for you to play with? Now we're gonna have one person as a catcher, which is gonna be me with a bucket. Again, we still have our 5 levels. We have level 1 here at our waist. Level 2 could be on your right. Level 3 could be on your left. We have the chest, and again, level 5 is above your head. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now my partner is gonna come over here. He's gonna be my tosser. My tosser is Jordan. Jordan's gonna use his brand new scoop that was created by yours truly. Again, 1 water bottle, 1 toilet paper roll, works pretty well. Tosses and catches. Okay, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Jordan's gonna go, we're gonna start with level 1. Jordan's gonna toss it and he's gonna try to make it in my bucket. Again, as a catcher, my job is to try to catch it by bending down low, moving to the side, just to catch it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and toss it. Try it again. Have some technical difficulties. Toss, bounce. Level 1 is complete. Look at that. If you guys want to start off, you can modify it, have 1 bounce only, but hopefully in the near future, I want you to do it without a bounce. Okay? If you want to challenge yourself, do it without a bounce. Level 2, we're gonna go to the right side. Jordan and myself just completed level 1. We're moving on to level number 2. We're gonna go to the right side this time. Jordan's gonna go ahead and toss it. Remember, we're allowed 1 bounce to start off with. In the future, I want no bounces to challenge yourself, okay? Toss it, then bounce, catch, missed, try again. You really gotta maneuver your body a certain way just so you can make that catch. Toss. Oh, so close. All right. And we're gonna keep going until we get it. Make sure you guys, oh, there you go. Level 2 is now complete. Moving on to level number 3. We're gonna move it to the opposite side. To our left side. Strong side. You guys remember the Titans. It's a very classic movie. Notice how I'm adjusting my speed. Toss. Oh, so close. I'm moving my hip. I'm turning my hip to get to the ball. Good in the picture, Jordan. Toss. Oh, that looked promising. Try it again. Oh, so close. Oh, I gotta get a little lower. Too low. Oh, that looks so close. Guys, cheer us on. Drop a comment below. Whew. Getting tired. Level 3 is complete. Moving on to level number 4. All right, folks, thank you for staying patient. We're on level number 4, which is at our chest. All right, keep cheering us on. Drop a comment below. See if we can do it in our first try, second try, third try. Drop a comment below. Which try will we get it in? Go ahead, Jordan. Scoot in a little bit. Toss. Oh, so close. If you said 1, sorry to disappoint you guys. 2 tries. As you can see, it's right in there. There you go. Level 5 coming up. Level 5. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. All right, folks. We are now on level 5, the last level of this activity. Now, I'm gonna need some help, Jordan. I can't see or feel really where it's going, so I can't wiggle my head that way because they'll fall off. So Jordan's gonna have to help guide me to tell me where to move. So I definitely need his help. If you are the tosser, make sure you are helping your catcher. If you're a catcher, stay positive. At some point, you're gonna get it. I promise you. Work hard, and again, just remember, if you feel silly, think about what your partner's gonna feel like in just a few minutes when they have their turn. Okay? Don't get discouraged. Have fun. This is what we're all about. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Level 5. Ready. Back up like that. Toss. Already got to talk to me. I don't know where I'm going. Talk to me. Up. Get the hard foot back. Try it again. Try that toss again. Down. Down.
Let it go.
I love the communication Jordan gave me, so we're going to keep working hard. We're going. And look at that. I hope that was on camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this activity. Drop a comment below. Tell me how you felt about it. Was it silly? Did you have fun? Because it's all fun and games. All right, kiddos. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you soon. Take care.